Hello friends, in our last 3 episodes, we have seen what are the fundamental rights in the constitution of Blaze. We have seen what are the type of courts and what is the judiciary in Blaze. We have also seen the other features which are there in the constitution of Blaze. Now when we try to summarize it, there are certain features which really appeal as they are absolutely helpful and beneficial for the citizens. For example, right to engage a lawyer, speedy trial has to be done of the cases, it is a right. Persons with disabilities have to be treated in an equal manner. Right to protect one's own reputation, right to protect culture, right of safe work environment. At the same time, if you see certain things in judiciary, appeal against decision of the Court of Appeal, it can be filed before the Caribbean Court of Justice. Now, President of Bar Association of Blaze is member of Judicial and Legal Services Commission. This is really a unique and nice feature that the President of the Bar, that is of advocates who are practicing, he is in that particular commission. For the benefit of the accused, the trials in criminal matters are conducted in their native language of the accused. At the same time, if a person is not able to understand that native language, an interpreter is also being given free of cost. Accused are explained their charges in their native languages. Further, from the broader perspective, dual citizenship is permitted. Definition of legal practitioner is mentioned in the Constitution. Constitution speaks about pension laws. Constitution also has mentioned what is the geographical area of Blaze. So friends, these were the short glimpses of the constitution of Blaze. We hope that you would have enjoyed this particular episode. We are thankful that you have given your valuable time for watching these particular videos. Once again, thank you. Namaste.